Here are the ingredients: 1 onion, 1 garlic, mushroom, 1 evaporated milk, 1 mackerel with omega-3, 1 pack of fiesta noodles, 1 shrimp cubes, and fish sauce. Without further ado, let's get started. Peel the onion for sauteing. Then chop it into small pieces depending on your preference. Peel the garlic. I chop the garlic into small pieces. Open a can of mackerel with omega-3 and drain the liquid. Then finely mash the mackerel. After mashing the mackerel, place the mushroom on the chopping board and cut it into small pieces. Prepare the pot and fill it with water to boil the noodles. Add about 1/3 cup of oil to prevent the noodles from sticking together while cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor of the noodles. Cover and bring to a boil. Note: to save on gas, don't wait for the water to boil. Drop the noodles into the pot right away. The noodles are al dente. Let's drain them. Prepare the large pan where we will cook the spaghetti. Add a little oil to prevent the butter from burning. Saute the garlic. Next, add the onions after the garlic becomes fragrant. Drop in the crushed mackerel. Add the broth that I mixed with the shrimp cube. To make it creamier, since I don't have creamer, I will use 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. And then sprinkle a little crushed pepper to enhance the flavor even more. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Let's taste it to check if the seasoning and flavor are just right. It's good now. Add the cooked noodles to the pan. It's cooked now. Let's take it out.